Oh, oh yeah, it has the touch bar thing. Oh my gosh, it's so fancy. It's so fancy. Okay. What? Oh, what? What was that? Hey guys, it's Joselle. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. It's right down below. Also, please like this video. Liking the video really does help with the algorithm. It helps my channel grow. So just help me out a little bit and like this video. And anyway, let's get into it. So today we have a very exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing my brand new MacBook Pro. Here it is. I just want to say real quick, you know what is crazy? The MacBook that I had beforehand was this one. I have a MacBook Air 13 inch. I think this is 2017 version. And I bought this 2 years ago and it came on December 3rd. Y'all, today's December 3rd and my brand new one has come. That is crazy. Like, I got this 2 years ago exactly on December 3rd. And now I'm getting this one exactly on December 3rd, 2 years later. There is nothing wrong with this laptop. Like, my MacBook is totally fine. The only thing is that obviously I'm a YouTuber, but I'm also majoring in media and entertainment, and with my major there's lots of video editing, and this laptop cannot handle editing in 4K. I really wanted this to last me till I graduated, but it's not gonna last me till I graduate, so I decided to just invest in this one. Let's get started. Look at that. So here it is. If you're wondering why there's no picture on it, it's because this is a refurbished product. Now let me tell y'all something. Don't knock the refurbished products. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty. As you guys can see, it is brand new, right out the package. Okay, so you gotta just pull the tab and the laptop comes out. This is nice. It is so pretty. I'm so glad I got this color. Okay, so this is the refurbished 13.3 inch MacBook Pro 2 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5 with Retina display in the color Space Gray. Quite a hefty price, but like I said, it's an investment into my career. I'm not gonna be playing games on this. Like, it's for my career and it'll last me a long time. Hopefully by God's grace. I'm not about to buy a laptop again in 2 more years. This has got to last me a long time. Talked to my professor about it too. My professor said I should get this one. I got this with the 16 GB of memory and the 1 TB of storage. That was what my professor recommended, and he be in the industry, so I trust him. I did not buy a case yet because I just want to make sure I get the right one. I'm very much someone that will see something and think it's the right one, buy it, and it's not the right thing. So I just wanted to wait till it came, and I'll read the model number on the back and type in the model number exactly so I can make sure I get the exact right case. But this is the one I want. It's pink, obviously. Like, I love pink. Don't mind all the scratches on my desk. It's from this tripod. I didn't realize it would do that to my desk, but anyway. So it comes with this thing designed by Apple in California, and you know it got the stickers inside. And then here we have the USB-C adapter. Looks like this. This is the USB-C port, and then you have the USB cable. I think this one is 2 meters, so that's nice. So as you can see, it comes with everything that a brand new box would come with: the cable and the adapter. So don't knock Apple Refurbished, you guys. Do not knock it till you try it. Hold on. Wait a minute, hold on. Yo, I swear this thing just vibrated. Very scary things. Okay, anyway. So pretty. The edges are really sharp, so like I definitely can't wait to get a case. Anyway, you have the 2 USB, what's it called? The 2 USB-C ports here, and then 2 USB ports here, and then a headphone jack. So I bought this USB-C Thunderbolt hub. I have cables that are USB cables, and they're not gonna fit in this, obviously, so I needed this. And I really wanted the pink one, but the pink ones did not have good reviews, and I didn't want the ones that are like a cable. And then the thing, I just wanted one that you plug straight into it, if that makes any kind of sense. I just got this gray one, and it's literally, it's whatever. Okay, so update. I have since gotten the pink one like I wanted, and I did say I didn't want one with a cable, but I quickly realized that with the case on, the case was preventing the hub to go all the way into the ports, so I had to get a cable one. So I got this one, and it's pink. Enough chatter, let me turn this thing on. Open it up. Oh, it's so oh, period. Oh, period. It's going fast too. Like, this MacBook took forever. Ooh. Look at how shiny that is. English. This thing feels really nice. I like this. United States. What is the Wi-Fi password? Oh yeah, it has the touch bar thing. Oh my gosh, it's so fancy. It's so fancy. Okay. Charging. Period. My makeup looks good. I look kind of pretty. Wait, my laptop is kind of smaller. But it makes sense because like the bezels on the MacBook Air are bigger than these bezels, so yeah. Okay, so what do? Open a Migrant Assistant app in Utilities. Where the heck is Utilities? I'll be right back. I don't know how to do this. Okay, so here's the Migrant Assistant. Here's this one. Okay, so there's a code on both laptops, so I'm pressing continue on both of them. Just connecting. Okay, so it's still transferring, but I kind of just want to talk about some differences between the MacBook Air 2017 and MacBook Pro 2020. And one of the biggest differences is like the trackpad. So like if you listen to it, it's like, that's what it sounds like. And then this one is like, this one is much louder than this one. The way the keys sound, listen. And then now. This one gives more treble. This is more like a alto tenor type sound. You feel me? The feeling is not that different to me, but I like this. Nice. Whoa, why is it taking so long to transfer? Yeah, that's it. Y'all, it just did this thing where it was like red on the screen. It was very scary, very terrifying. I posted it on my Snapchat. What? Oh. What was that? It's working now. Like, it says migration is complete. Y'all, this is so fire. Lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. That is so fire. Okay, I'm gonna do it right now. Period. It's been set up. It has my same exact background that I have here. I do want to change it though because I'm getting tired of it. I want to do like a pink one. It has all my downloaded stuff here. It was very easy. Very easy. But the thing is already going crazy. Y'all hear that? Already going crazy, but that's just how Apple is. But it looks so pretty, and look at how pretty it looks on camera. So it really transferred over everything. Like all my files are here, my videos that I was editing, they're here. That is very cool. Okay, honestly, this camera on my MacBook Pro is not as good as the camera on my MacBook Air. I don't know, I kind of like this one better. First impressions, I love it. It is really pretty. I love the space gray color. It does feel smaller than this one, but again, like I mentioned, the bezels are much bigger on this MacBook Air than this one. But nonetheless, the screen is still 13.3 inches. And again, the transfer was very easy. Like, it did take some time, but it was really easy to transfer everything from my old MacBook to my new MacBook. And yeah, so now I'm gonna just take the time to clear off this MacBook and reset it and everything and make a new background for this MacBook. And yeah, honestly, I don't have anything else to say. I do like learning about specs of like computers and cameras and all kind of tech things, but I'm not that much into it. I will say, like, it definitely is much faster than this one. Oh my gosh, even my tabs transferred over. That is freaking amazing. We love to see it. It is much faster, which makes sense because this is the 2.2 gigahertz, which means like it's faster, I guess. And this one, I forgot what it is, but it's not 2.2 gigahertz. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right down below. Follow me on all my social medias down below. Comment down below whatever you want to comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.